Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically import and add TikTok trending sounds to your videos on CapCut. So you can do it on TikTok, so select the audio and add to favorites, and hopefully it will be synced, or just save the video for now by pressing the share button and saving the video. Go back to CapCut, select any project, and go to audio here, and you are just going to go to sounds, and you're going to see that some of the songs are linked to your TikTok account will be here if you log into TikTok. So go to me to log in, but if it's not there, you can just select the video and then go to audio and then go to extract it and extract it from a video instead, and select import sounds only. I think that's the best way to do it, since not every audio that you save will be available on it. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!